Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a video carousel and add it to a Kajabi website. Let's get started. The video carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the video carousel editor. In the editor, you can edit the video content and add your videos. You can select a layout and customize the video carousel look and feel, and change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the video carousel to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Kajabi editor. There are two ways to add the widget to your Kajabi site: by adding a content item to an existing section or by adding a section. To add the widget as a content item, click on the section wherever you wish the widget to show on your Kajabi page. On the left panel, click on Add Content, and then select the custom code from the list. Now, in the code window, simply paste the widget code you've copied before. You can also add the widget as a new section. Click on Add Section on the left panel. Then, find and select the custom code section at the bottom of the list. Click the Add button on the custom code section. Then, click on the new section added to your page and click the Edit button. Now, in the code window, simply paste the widget code you've copied before. And that's it. Now, the video carousel will show on your website.